Okay, guys, welcome to the latest update from Tensereum. We do want to go over our groundbreaking MVP V2 release with you guys today in this video. So we're looking forward to just going through what we've now got available for you to be testing. Just before we get to that, this is obviously our website, that's tensereum.com. You may have noticed that we've made some updates, and if you haven't, please check it out and just have a look through them. We've gone over the UI. It's got the same information on there, but we have made it more visually appealing, changed a lot of things on that, and that's really just to make sure that we're conveying information a little bit clearer. So that's sort of thing, what we're doing and why we're doing it, and how it all works. So if you do have a moment, please do just check out the website, have a look through it. Any comments, feedback, things you really like, things you don't like, do let us know. We do appreciate and we do take your feedback into consideration. So check it out. Let us know what you're thinking. And we hope you like it as much as we do, but we're always open for any constructive criticism on that as well. Okay, so to the exciting bit, that's going to be our MVP v2. We're going to click on the launch app button on the top right there, and that's going to bring us into our D app. So just one thing to remember, at this point in time, the D app is running on Optimism Sepolia. So do just ensure that you are on the right network. So just go into MetaMask, and then obviously I'm already there, but if you're not, add the network if you don't have it. If you do have it, just make sure you are running on Optimism Sepolia before you interact with the protocol here. So you may remember that in the previous videos, we've gone over the GPT-4 interactions and implementation there. Now you will see that we have agents. So this is an exciting update that we've got, and it is going to demonstrate the full potential and power that we have with Tensereum. To give a little bit of a more idea, all of these agents can be directly linked to Telegram. So they're going to operate as fully functional Telegram bots, completely powered by AI. Whether that's just a bot that's going to talk to you as an assistant, completely private, or whether that's going to be running in a channel and being able to interact with an entire community as if they were a person as well. That's completely up to you on how they're going to be running. They're extremely versatile. And all of this can be run and modified from within the Tensereum platform. So you see at the moment we have 3 live. There is a virtual assistant, a virtual creation, and a virtual soulmate. All 3 of these at this point in time, they're completely free of charge to use. We're running on testnet. We don't want any cost to you guys. They can still be monetized. So all of these bots, can be programmed, modified, personalized. And obviously, if those bots are then sold on, that's financial value to you. That's, we're not going to benefit from that. We just want to make sure that the full versatility of Tensereum and some of the options and potential available are demonstrated here. So we're really impressed with, how this has worked and how the functionality is. But we want you to see that too. So let's just have a look at the first one. We've got your virtual assistant Nova. You have a fork option that's coming soon, so we'll get there. But you also have the option to hire them. So we're just going to click on that and allow that to load. And important to remember, all of the parameters for these bots, firstly, they're going to be fully customizable. And those parameters we're going to see are going to be set up from directly within the Tensereum application. So we're not going to have to leave. We're not going to have to be interacting with other protocols or other platforms. Everything you do is going to be run from within Tensereum. So you can see here that it's open. We've got advanced configurations. It's going to have the full prompt here. That can be changed as well. So if you do want to change things slightly to make, really personalize it to make it yours, you can change things directly there. However, we have a very simple way of this running. It's going to open a little live chat box on the right. So you can see it's opened here. It's saying, hello, hope you're having a great day. Let's get started with the first question. What is my name? So obviously already it feels like you're just interacting with a person. We're just going to call our bot Sarah today. And as that's running, this is a very smooth flowing thing. So you don't feel like you're interacting with a program at this point in time. It really is like you are interacting with a person. And you get, great, my name is Sarah. On to the next question. What is my specialization? So you're going to be able to fully customize your bot directly from within Tensereum. You're not going to have to leave. Everything is going to be able to be done right here. So on the advanced configurations, we've also got things here. At this point in time, like I mentioned, we are going to be able to link these directly with Telegram. So you just need to go into Telegram, make sure that you get the tokens, add the Telegram token here, create with Botfather, and at that point you're going to be launching it live, right? So this is quite exciting. You're going to have your bot, whether you have it just with you, whether you're going to have it as a community manager. This is something that can really change the way that we are, interacting with the world in total. Whether it's just someone you want to bounce ideas off, or whether you're going to have someone completely different doing something completely different. It can be, if you've got a big community, whether you're an influencer, whether you are whether you're a crypto project and you have your own community to manage. Firstly, it can be very time consuming and it can be very expensive, to have someone there permanently to manage that. If you have someone with all of the knowledge that you have being able to do it, for you, then obviously that's, huge financial and also time saving. So a benefit on that. So, these are quite unique. So the virtual assistant, the idea is exactly that. It's going to be a virtual assistant. Anything that you need help with, they're going to be able to help you. So we got that one live for you to test out. We have a virtual creation. So the virtual creation is a little bit different. The virtual creation is going to be, it doesn't have to necessarily be an assistant in this way. This is literally going to be, what do you want? Do you want someone who's going to, own all of your knowledge and help people? Do you want a disinformation bot? Do you want something that's, going to be able to tell people what is? Do you want someone to be able to correct facts? You're going to be able to fully program this at this point in time. So here, whether you want this to be, I don't know, you can have a girlfriend who, has certain knowledge in anything you want, whether it's vegetables. You can really make this as special as you want it to be. So we want to make sure that you're programming all of this, and exactly the same as the other ones, you are going to be able to add the Telegram token, create with Botfather, and launch it in there. So this is a fully programmable and really, really versatile option that we've got live for you. And the third one that we already have live is going to be the virtual soulmate. So for those of you who have seen movies such as Her, you will be aware that the movement towards an AI soulmate, someone you can just talk to, someone who's going to be able to interact with you as a human on a more intimate and familiar way than, say, an assistant. This is now live and possible. So we have launched a virtual soulmate here. Obviously, as with all the others, the parameters are completely adjustable. So any settings you want with that, there's methods of speaking, where obviously the names, the way that they are sort of interacting with you can be fully modifiable. And that's what you're going to be able to do in the program. So at this point in time, these are the three that we've got there, and we do want you to be checking them out. So we're really excited with the way this is moving and the developments on this. And you will be able to be adding new agents too. So at this point in time, we really feel that we're able to demonstrate such a huge amount of potential with Tensereum through these agents. But we need your help to sort of test them, give your feedback as well. Just with adding new agents, this is the one you can give it a name, add the image, add the original prompt. So this is a full creation. You're really creating this one from scratch. But we want your feedback on these as well. So please check it out. Remember, just head to the website, tensereum.com. Give it a scroll through. As the UI has been updated. and then just hit on the launch app button on the top right. Then you'll be able to interact with what we've got going, and let us know how it is for you. So hopefully this has been enough information. Any further information on this you can find on mirror.xyz /Tensereum, and that will give you all of the information that we've covered in this video. So please check out the new agents that we've got live on the MVP v2. Have fun and let us know how it goes for you.